Good morning, students. I'm Navjot Kaur, your science teacher. Let's start with the science lecture. Beta, we have completed chapter number 7, that is parts of a plant. We have read the whole parts of all the parts of the plants, that is leaves, fruits, seeds, root and shoot. And we have almost completed bookwork also and your question answers also. So there is one activity that is related to this chapter that you will perform at home. It is a very easy activity, you can say. It is the activity related to the germination of the seeds, how seeds they change into the new plants. So in the next lecture, I'll show you the germination of gram seeds, the germinated seeds of grams. मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कि कैसे दिखते हैं. So what is the activity that you have to do at home? So better write down the activity that you have to do it, perform it. The activity is choose any 3 kinds of seeds from your kitchen and sow them in 3 disposable cups filled with soil. Water all of them and leave them in the balcony or any outside area of your house. Guess how long each seed would take to germinate. Then see how long each of them actually takes to germinate. Now see bete, what is the activity that you have to perform? Choose any 3 kinds of seeds from your kitchen. Any 3 kinds of seeds. They can be gram seeds, they can be rajma seeds, they can be beans, कोई भी seed ले लो. And sow them in the 3 disposable cups filled with soil. You have to take 3 disposable cups, fill them with the soil, and then sow that seeds in them. Water all of them and leave them in the balcony. Water them daily and leave them in the balcony or in the outside area of your house. Guess how long each seed would take to germinate. Then see how many days each of them are taking to germinate. कितने दिन में कौन सा सीड वो germinate हो रहा है. Germination means उसमें से जो seedlings निकल रही हैं. I'll show you what is germination in the next lecture, the germinated seeds of grams. Then see how long each of them actually takes to germinate. तो एक एक सीड का आपने हिसाब लगाना है कि कितने टाइम में वो सीड जर्मिनेट होता है, कि हाउ मच टाइम दैट सीड टेक्स टू germinate. So this is the simple activity. Take 3 kinds of seeds, sow them in the disposable cups filled with soil, water them, leave them in the balcony or in the veranda of your house, then see or guess how much time each of them will take to germinate. So beta, this is your activity that you have to perform. Now our chapter is almost completed. Germination process I will show you. You also will perform this at home. Now we will start with the new chapter, that is our body. Chapter number 9. Open chapter number 9, page number 88. Our body. This chapter is totally related to our body. The parts of the body, their functions and everything will be read in this chapter. Page number 88. Our body has different parts. Each body part does something special. Fill in the missing letters to name the body parts. Then match them to their location in the internal body correctly. Yes, beta, our body has different parts. We have hands, legs, feet, other parts, stomach, lungs, heart. So every part of the body, it has some special function. They perform different functions. Stomach का कुछ अलग function है, lungs का different function है, heart का different function है. So every part of the body, it performs different functions. So there are some parts given to you on this page. Fill in the missing letters to name the body parts. Some letters are missing. You have to fill that missing letters and complete the name of the body part. Then match them to their location in the internal body correctly. फिर इनको जो राइट हैंड साइड पे आपको बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर दिया हुआ है उसमें करेक्टली मैच करना है कि वेयर दैट बॉडी पार्ट इज. See, bete, these are the body parts given to you on this page number. You have to fill the letters. First is your stomach. This is the structure of the stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Number 2 is lungs. L-U-N-G-S, lungs. Then number 3 is heart. H-E-A-R-T, heart. Then number 4 is brain. B-R-A-I-N, brain. So where are the location of these parts in our body? You see over here. Part 1 is stomach. Stomach is over here. See, here is the stomach. Then lungs. Lungs are here. Then your heart is over here and brain is over here. So this is the location of the body parts in our body. This was the activity or that was given on page number 88.